Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an ABS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadadul Haque, assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, day shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is M.C.Q. part 7. Dear students, in this part I will solve some M.C.Q. Now see the questions. Okay dear students. Here at first is a stream given. Depending on this stream we have to answer two questions. Answer question 61 and 62. Answer the question 61 and 62 based on the following figure. Here O is the center of the circle PQR. O is the center of the circle PQR. OM perpendicular to PQ. OM is perpendicular to PQ. And OP equal to 4 centimeter. OP equal to 4 centimeter. It means the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. Question 61. In the figure, statement 1. M is the midpoint of PQ. Yes, is it true or false? At first we have to identify. Dear students, here if you notice the figure, you will see here OM perpendicular to PQ. OM perpendicular to PQ. And you know a theorem that is if you draw any perpendicular from the center to any chord, then the perpendicular intersect the chord at a point, and that point will be the middle point of the chord. Okay, so you can say M is the midpoint of PQ. So M is the midpoint of PQ. This one is true. Now statement 2. OPM angle OPM and OQM are equal. Here OPM means this angle here. OPM means angle this one. OQM is this one. Here is written these two angles are equal. Yes, we can say these two angles are equal. Suppose here OPQ is a triangle and OP and OQ are equal here, as these are the two radius of the circle. These are the two radius of the circle PQR. Here, so we can say as these two sides of triangle OPQ are equal, so we can say the opposite angle of these two sides also will be equal. So angle OPM and angle OQM are also equal. So statement 2 is true or correct. Now 3. The area of circle PQR is 50.24 square centimeter, where the value of pi is given, that is 3.14. That is 3.14. The students, you know, pi is an irrational number. Its value is 3.1415, and in this way this will continue. And here we have taken 2 digits after the decimal, so this is 3.14. Okay. Now you know the formula of determining the area of a circle, that is area of a circle pi r square. Here the value of pi is 3.14 r square. Here r means the radius, that is 4 centimeter. So this will be the area. Now 3.14 multiplied by 16 square centimeter. So we can say if we multiply these two, we will get 50.24. 50.24 square centimeter. So statement 3 is also correct. It means we can say all the statements are correct here, 1, 2 and 3. So our answer of question 61 is, which one is the correct? Here all are correct here, 1, 2 and 3. So we can say our answer of 61 is D. Now we have to answer question 62. What is the circumference of the circle PQR? Circumference of the circle PQR. Here circumference, dear students, you know the formula of determining the circumference, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Here value of pi is given 22/7. 2 pi r. R is the radius and 2 value of pi is 22/7 and r is 4. So if you calculate here, what will you get? You will get 25.14. 25.14. And then to this you will get decimal fraction. Just we need to take, we can take after 2 digit after the decimal, 2 digit after the decimal. So this should be 25.14. So we can say our required answer for question 62 is A. Now answer the questions 63 and 64 on the basis of the figure. Here is the figure given. Depending on this figure, we have to answer question 63 and 64. What is given here? AB C is a triangle, ACD is another triangle, and ABD is another triangle. Here CD equal to 2AB, CD equal to 2AB. This information is also given. What is the value of BC? To find BC, we need AB and AC. Dear students, you know that here by the theorem of Pythagoras, you know that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. As this is right angle triangle, by the theorem of Pythagoras we can write this. Here value of BC we need to find, so we can write here BC square. It means that AB square minus AC square. Here BC equal to square root AB square minus AC square. Here value of AB is 5 square minus value of AC is 3 square. So this should be 5 square means 5 5s are 25, 3 square means 9. So this will be 16. So square root of 16 is 4. So value of BC, here BC is 4. Dear students, now see here, in another way we can say the answer from this figure. This is a right angle triangle, ABC is a right angle triangle, here C is the right angle. Dear students, you know the ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle can be 3:4:5. Here 5 is given, 3 is given. So another side must be 4. So we can say our answer of question 63 is D, that is 4. Okay, now question 64. What is the area of triangle ACD? Here we have to find the area of triangle ACD. ACD. Dear students, you know here CD means 2AB. CD means 2AB. It means that here AB is given 5, so CD will be 2 into AB. CD means 2AB. This is given here 2AB. Here AB is 5, so 2 into 5 means 10. So CD must be 10. Now AC is 3. AC is 3, that is given. So we have to find the area of the triangle ACD. ACD. Here C is a right angle, so we can find the area by using the formula half base CD into half CD into AC. Here half CD means 10, AC means 3. So if we cut this by 2, we will get 5, 5 3s are 15. So area is 15, area is 15, area of a CD is 15. So option B is our answer for question 64. Now I have to answer question 65. In the above figure, here is a figure given, in this figure we have to see first statement, angle A equal to 45 degree. Dear students, now see here the side AB and BC are equal, as this is a right angle triangle and angle B is right angle. Here you are looking here, AB and BC both are 1 centimeter, so both are equal. So these two angles will be also equal and their sum will be 90 degree. So each of the angle will be 45 degrees. So statement A is true. Now statement 1 is true. Statement 2, AC equal to square root 2 centimeter here. Dear students, now see here, AB is given, BC is given, we have to determine AC. So we can use the theorem of Pythagoras, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AB means 1 square, BC means 1 square. So we will get here 1 plus 1 means 2. Therefore AC is equal to, we have to take square root, that is square root 2. So we can say statement 2 is also true. Now statement 3, area of triangle ABC is 1 square meter. Dear students, now see, area of triangle ABC will be half AB into BC. AB into BC. Here AB means 1, BC means 1. So this should be half. But here is given 1. But here is given 1. So this one is not correct. So we can say statement 1 and 2 is correct. Which is our question? Which one is correct? 1 and 2 is correct. So our required answer is A. Now question 66. To answer question 66 and 67, we need the same here. This figure we need here. ABC is a triangle. E and F are the middle points of AB and AC respectively. Now we have to answer the question here 66. In the figure, E and F are the middle points of AB and AC. If angle AEF equal to 50 degree, means this angle is 50 degree, then we have to say what is the measurement of angle ABC. ABC is equal to what? Angle ABC means this angle. Dear students, now see, as E and F are the midpoints of AB and AC. If you join these two midpoints, you will get a line that is EF. EF must be parallel to BC. As EF and BC are parallel, we can say these two angles, angle AEF and angle ABC are similar angle. So these two angles are equal. So we can say angle ABC must be equal to AEF, means 50 degrees. So our required answer for question 66 is C, 50 degree. Now our last question today, 67. In the figure, first statement, EF parallel BC. Yes, EF parallel BC. EF must be parallel to BC, as here E and F is the midpoints of AB and AC. So this will be equal to the parallel of BC. Now statement 2, EF equal to 2BC. EF equal to 2BC. No, EF must be half of BC. EF must be half of BC. You know this from given theorem of your book. Okay, dear students, now see here, EF must be not 2BC. Here EF must be half of BC. EF must be half of BC. Now statement 3, AE by AB equal to AF by AC. AE by AB equal to AF by AC. Dear students, in class 7 you have learned the similarity of triangles. From that we can say, if two triangles are similar, then their ratio of the similar sides must be equal. Suppose here I am writing two triangles here, ABC, another one is DEF. Here now see, if this angle equal to this one equal to this one, and C equal to F, it means angle A equal to D, angle B equal to E, and angle C equal to F. Then these two triangles are known as similar. Okay. Now if these two triangles are similar, their similar sides must be proportional. So we can say the ratio of these two similar sides, it means AB DE, will be equal to ratio of another two sides, that is AC DF and BC EF, must be equal. Using this technique we can say here triangles AEF and ABC are similar triangles here, and we can say the reason to be similar here, this angle E equal to angle B, angle F equal to angle C, and angle A is the common angle. So these two triangles are similar triangles. So we can say the ratio of the sides, it means AE, ratio of AE and AB must be ratio of AE and AB must be equal to ratio of AF by AC. Ratio of AF and AC must be equal. So you can say statement 3 is correct here. So 1 and 2 is correct, 1 and 3 is correct, but 2 is not correct. So you can say our answer for question 67 is B, as here is 1 and 3. Which one is correct? This B is correct. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. That's all for today. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.